Hey everyone, this is Jay Soloff from Investors Alley, and this is our options trade of the week. So I am in Market Chameleon looking at our unusual option volume page, and what I like to do is sort this by volume to see what some of the bigger stocks and ETFs were doing. So what we have here is a lot of interesting stuff. AMD, Tesla. We have the high yield corporate bond, gold, silver, Brazil, a lot of stuff here, a lot of stuff going on. So let's look at, I haven't seen silver up here in a while, so let's look at silver SLV. That's probably the most popular way to trade silver, and you can see traded over 300,000 options, almost 82% of those calls, which you would generally associate with bullish action. So if we click on that, we can take a look at the trades. So go to this trade list, and I'll then again sort this by quantity because I want to see what the big trades were. The block trades, those are the ones usually done by hedge funds and institutions and things like that. So the ones with major resources behind them. And you can see a lot of call action, a lot of blocks, looks like a lot of stuff going on at the 17 strike, 16 strike. So looking at a few of these big trades, we'll see if there's any, looks like at around 10:26, there's this time shows up several times here. Calls, the 17 strike, and if we look at the prices, it looks like it looks like these were all purchases. They were bought on the ask for 27 cents. So it looks like there's a whole lot of call buying at the 17 strike. The stock was at 1680 at the time. So very bullish. Obviously, buying calls, you make money as the stock goes up. In this case, it would be 1727 would be the break even if that happens by February 21st. But it looks like here this is almost 10,000, and then another 3,000 here, and another over 2,500, and a couple more thousand here. I mean, just looking at this, it's almost 20,000 right there. So a lot of action there buying these calls. So if you're bullish on silver, and this may be an interesting time for that, gold is getting expensive, or has gotten expensive, and there's a lot of precious metal buying because of potential for negative interest rates, and potential maybe inflation down the road, or for whatever reason why people like to buy precious metals. It seems to be the trend now, and as gold gets more expensive, then silver will tend to catch up over time, just because people shift over to a cheaper metal. So if you want to do something like that, we can look at how to do that. So this is SLV here in my brokerage account. And so if we look at February 21st, it's 35 days from now. You can see here's the volume. You can see over almost 42,000 of those September calls traded today. Another 32,000 at the 18 strike. So a lot of bullish action. It's gone from 27 up to about 30 cents here. So if you wanted to buy that, it's very simple. You can go to order screen, or usually you can just click on it in your own options chain, and it'll bring up the price and the call. We want to buy it. So if you want to do a 10 lot, that would only be about $300. And usually you could just send that in, and you'll get a chance to check. It costs $300. That's the most you could lose on it. Max profit is infinite because as long as it keeps going up, you can make money. So usually you'll get some sort of confirmation or preview before you send the trade in. But that's it. When you're buying a call, that's pretty straightforward on how to do it. I also talk about this stuff and do trades like this in my options Floor Trader Pro service. There's a link on this page, so feel free to check that out. It's only $49 a year. Everyone have a great rest of your day.